Yes, what's good traders? Welcome back to a brand new video on the Brazil FX trading. So traders, today I'm going to be reviewing Fxview, one of the best Forex brokers that have taken the internet by storm, guys. So if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe and let's get started with this video. So guys, welcome back. My name is Basil. So today guys, I'm going to be reviewing for you Fxview. This is one of the best brokers that has taken the Forex market by storm and the internet, guys. So I'm going to be reviewing for you and telling you if regulated, what type of accounts they offer, and also how do you sign up, and then how do you get the deposit bonus that they offer as Fxview, guys. So let's jump into the video, guys. So this is how the platform looks like, traders. Very transparent. Most of you guys know me, I want to deal with transparency, for the website. That's the first thing I'm always first going to look out for. As you can see, it's very transparent. As you can see, Bolt registered award-winning broker. As you can see, these are all the awards that I've won in 2021, 2022, 2022, then 2023, and all those. Then also we have here the trading tools. As you can see, everything, as you can see right here, we have all these trading tools. So the first things first, guys. What is Fxview? Fxview is leading the Forex industry by creating the lowest spreads and commission levels compared to the rest of the industry. Provide clients with an exhaustive trading experience by offering them ultra low commissions, tight spreads, multiple trading platforms along with various trading tools, as you can see. So again, they're offering low spreads, guys. You never want to trade with a broker that is offering you high spreads, guys. So they're offering you low spreads, and also they're offering you multiple platforms that you can trade on. As most of you guys know, the instant that we had back then were MT4. Well, we're no longer able to access MT4 and MT5. But right now, this Fxview is offering you 3 types of platforms that you can trade on. So the other thing is you always like to look at is, are they regulated? So for me to see if they're regulated, I'm just going to come up here and tap this part right here, the company. Then you can see here legal documents. As you can see, then you have it here, group license and registrations. So Fxview is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as you can see right there. The license number is right here. You can always check you can always check this website for Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, and then you will see this yes, they're regulated. And not only they're regulated in Cyprus, but also the Securities and Exchange Board of India, they're also registered there, SEBI, as you can see right there. Also the license number is right down here with everything, as you can see. And then also, they're not only registered in India, but also the Financial Service Commissions of Mauritius, as you can see right here. And also the Financial Sector Conduct Authority of South Africa, as you can see. So they have multiple registrations with multiple companies. So meaning your money is safe, guys. You never want to deal with a broker that is not regulated, guys. So let's go back to our first page right here. So as you can see, again, they're offering you FX pairs, commodities, indices, stocks, crypto, spreads from zero, commission from $1 to up to 100,000. Then you can see here minimum deposit $50. The leverage goes as high as 500 leverage. Traders, you need to understand. Yes, this is leverage, but leverage is a double-edged sword. It can give you money, it can sometimes take a lot of money. So make sure to be careful with the leverage. Then why choose us? We focus on delivering our customers transparent, low-costing trading conditions, cutting-edge technology, and great support. Superb. So traders, I'm first going to jump into the how we register. But before we go on how we register, I want to first show you the trading accounts we have. So as you can see here, we have these are trade accounts, as you can see. So we have the raw ECN account, as you can see. So experience the tightest spreads with our raw ECN account. Trade with spreads as low as 0 pips. Guys, you never want to trade with a broker that is offering you high spreads, So you can see. So best currency options, you can see we have the Euro, USD, GBP, AUD. As you can see, margin call and stop out level 70 to 50. Awesome. Trading platforms, as you can see, we have MT4, MT5, and Act Trader. So this is the other platform I was talking about. So meaning if MT4 and MT5 is blocked, you can use the Act Trader to trade in the Forex market. As you can see, leverage is up to 500, and then minimum trade size, as you can see, from 0.01 to 100 lots. So if you want to use 100 lots, you can go for it. Then Negative balance protection, as you can see, yes. Yes, allowed, yes. Then spreads from 0%, as you can see, 0.0 pips. Then hedging allowed, yes, hedging is allowed. Most of you guys will have to hedge. Then commission from $1 to up to $100,000. Execution is ECM. So as you can see, guys, these guys offer really good services, because remember, they don't discriminate. You know, as you can see here, we did not discriminate between traders, whether you are new to CFDs trading or the most experienced trader. You can access our assets from one account. So this is one of their one type of account. Now let me show you the other type of account. The other type of account, they have the Islamic account. This is the Islamic account, as you can see. So Islamic accounts are also known as swap-free accounts, as no swap or rollover fee is charged when positions are kept overnight. We offer Islamic accounts to all our clients who practice Islam in accordance to the Sharia law. So again, they don't discriminate. We also have something for our Muslim sisters and brothers. As you can see, guys, you can request for an Islamic account and you tap here. But also with this account, the best currency is dollar. You can see margin call is 70 to 50. Trading platform is MT4. Leverage is 500. Again, lot sizes are the same, almost everything here is just the same. It's considered as. So let's jump into how do we register. So guys, as you're trying to register, you also be able to see the hours that have won in the past, as you can see. So best value broker, this was the Forex Expo in Dubai 2021. They won the best value broker. They also won the most trusted broker. This was the ultimate fintech in Cyprus. They also won the best global CFD broker, Forex Expo in Dubai in 2022. So these are all the awards they won, as you can see, traders. So how we register, I'm going to tap that right here, fill in our name, your full names, then tap here. So here I put in the country, just like this. Tap the country, then here I put in your email address right here, then here I put in your password, and then here you confirm your password right here. Then when it comes to the phone code, here you select a code of your country, then here you put in your phone number, then here you tap I'm not a robot. You have to confirm that you're not a robot. Then here you tap register. Now since for me I already have an account, I'm just going to log in just like this. So as you can see, when I log in, this is how the platform looks like, as you can see. So they have everything simplified for us, so that you can have like that smooth trading. As you can see, when you want to access your wallet, this is where you tap account funding, manage account, deposit bonus, social trading, and everything. You access it from here, as you can see, traders. So if you create your account, guys, make sure to verify your account. Make sure to upload your documents. You'll be able to answer some questions so that they know if you're a good trader. So you never want to just jump into trading when you don't have experience on trading, guys. So make sure to sign up and upload your ID and proof of residence, and after complete your registration. So right here, I'm going to tap create live account, just like this. So here, as again, this is the account that I'm dealing with. This is the ECN account, as you can see. So I'm going to tap here MT4, then here I'll choose dollar, and then I'm going to choose a leverage, a 100 leverage. I never use a higher leverage, even though I know how to trade. I always want to keep my leverage small. Reason why: leverage is a double-edged sword. It can take money, but sometimes it can give you a lot of money. So again, that is leverage. Then here I'll choose the password, and then here I'll confirm password. Then after this, when I tap create down here, they're going to be sending all the documents. They'll be sending the details of my account to my email. So for me, I already have an account right here. You can see this account right here. This is my account right here. So traders, that is how you create an account. For those that want to create a demo account, you tap here, then you tap fill in the details as you see them, and then you'll be able to create a demo account, guys. So now let's jump on to this other part right here, the wallet. So this is where you set up your wallet, then tap here dollar, submit. You can be able to deposit and withdraw your money. So this is where you set up everything from. So since here, now here I can tap deposit. So how am I going to deposit? I can either decide to use bank transfer, Visa, or cryptocurrency. So I'm someone who loves to use cryptocurrencies because they're way faster and cheaper to use. So I'll tap here cryptocurrency, then here I'm going to select the currency, which is USDT. As you can see, then I'll put in the address. Here I'll tap confirm, just like that, as you can see, guys. Then here I'm going to be choosing the amount here: $100, $200, $500, $1,000. whatever amount that I want to choose, I'll be choosing it there. Then here I'm going to be tapping proceed to payment. So this side they'll be proceeding you to the payment where you have to make the transaction, and then your money will be in your account in less than a few minutes, guys. Make sure to deposit money so that you can be able to get the deposit bonus. So that is how you deposit your money. Then also I'll show you how to withdraw your money. So how you withdraw your money, simple thing, tap there, withdraw. Then here you put in the amount of how much you want to withdraw. But since I haven't deposited any money, now I can't withdraw. But again, it's the same procedure. I choose cryptocurrency, the method of withdrawing money, guys. We're going to go back to the wallet right here. So traders, then I'm going to come back to manage account. So this is my manage account right here. So if I want to change leverage, password, or do an internal transfer or trade now, I'll do everything from here, this page right here, when I tap this part right here. Then the deposit bonus, guys, you can only get a deposit bonus when you deposit money. So you can see this is my live account. So right now I don't qualify for the bonus since I haven't deposited any money. So I have to make sure to deposit at least probably like $100, you know, because you know me, I don't want to put in small money. I always want to deposit like $100 so that I can be able to trade it here. So you can see traders. So then also we have social trading. So social trading is more of a copy trading, you know. So you follow these big traders like me. I'll be able to create my account right here, trade with this platform for quite a period of time. So such guys, when you see that I'm good, you can follow me and you can be able to copy trade from me. Make money, I'm making money, guys, as you can see right here. So it's called the Zulu trade, as you can see. Then here we have tools. We have the VPS, we have the traders toolbox, trading hours, economic calendar, and calculator. So this is when you tap the economic calendar, it will show you all the important events that are going to happen probably next month, or you know, the following trading week you're going to have. So you can see them from here. Then also we have the calculator. Here you can be able to calculate your peak value, margin, swaps, and everything, profits and everything, as you can see. So this is where you can trade this. So these are the different calculators that we have. We have the margin calculator, we have the multi-target pivot, we have even the Fibonacci, pip value, swap, and position calculator. So whatever you want, you can use any of these calculators, guys. You don't need to go onto Google and search pip calculator, blah. You don't need to go and check the currency converter, guys. You can do everything from here. Fxview is offering you all these things, as you can see, traders. Then lastly, we have here education and resources. So these are all about education and resources, guys. As you can see, people are posting about Forex and everything. You can always go through these things so you can understand what the markets are really about, as you can see. Then you can download this platform, as you can see, so you can get it on your mobile phone or you can have it on your website again. Then support right here, traders. So again, whenever you're having any trouble with deposits, probably anything to do with Fxview, you communicate to these people, as you can see right here, and they're always able to respond to you in just a few minutes, guys, as you can see. So traders, when you see this first page, also you can see here we have what we call the wallet tab here. This is where you see your money. Then you have also loyalty points here. So loyalty points, this is according to you as a trader. How are you trading? So the more, now right now I'm a bronze trader, I have only 10 points, as you can see, but these points can be transferred to money, as you can see. So here, bronze, when you open and verify your account, you receive points. So silver, these ones that are receiving points, 500 to 5,000 points, as you can see. So you can always transfer these points to your money, guys. This is how nice Fxview is, guys. So make sure to go through everything properly before you jump into trading, guys. So if you have enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next. Peace.